Yeast infections in your dog's ears are common and can cause discomfort. Thankfully, with the right care, you can help your dog feel better and prevent future problems. Cleaning your dog's ears helps prevent yeast infections by removing moisture, wax, and debris where yeast can grow. Apple cider vinegar helps clean your dog's ears by balancing the pH, preventing yeast infections, and keeping them healthy. To clean your dog's ear, take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a pot. Warm them to blend. Then pour the mixture into a small bowl, fill a syringe with it, and pour it into the dog's ear canal. Afterward, gently rub the ear and massage it to help the mixture reach down into the ear. Finally, wipe off the excess with a soft cloth or cotton ball. By this method, you will help soothe and clean your dog's ear. Ear cleaner wipes are a convenient and gentle way to remove dirt, wax, and moisture from your dog's ears, helping to prevent infections. Pet MD Advanced Ear Cleaner Wipes are designed to gently clean, deodorize, and dry your dog's ears, preventing infections and reducing wax buildup. These alcohol-free, soothing wipes are safe for regular use, helping to keep your dog's ears healthy and odor-free. Cinnamon powder has antifungal properties that can help combat yeast infections and support your dog's overall health. Take 2 cups of goat kefir in a bowl. Add half a cup of apple cider vinegar and stir thoroughly. Add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder and stir continuously until all ingredients are combined. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger powder and 1 tablespoon of Oregon grape root powder. Then add 1 cup of coconut oil and mix well. Pour the mixture into a jar and then into a silicone mold. Freeze them and feed these treats to your dog. By this remedy, your dog will benefit from improved digestion and natural support against yeast infections. Yeast thrives in warm, moist environments. Dry your dog's ears thoroughly after bathing or swimming. Regularly drying their ears helps maintain a healthy environment and prevents yeast from thriving. Ear wash helps prevent yeast infections by removing excess moisture and debris, creating an environment where yeast is less likely to thrive. Pet Lab Co. Dog Ear Wash helps prevent yeast infections by removing moisture, wax, and debris, creating an environment that discourages yeast growth. Its gentle, soothing formula supports long-term ear health and keeps your dog's ears clean and comfortable. Regular cleaning and proper treatment are key to getting rid of a yeast infection. If the problem persists or worsens, always consult a veterinarian for professional advice and proper treatment to ensure your dog's ear health.